Is it recording?
Yeah.
So
what has happened is Seth told us we needed VGA cable for the projector. But then this man didn't bring a laptop that we needed.
Well, he didn't bring himself. He's not here, so.
Yeah.
He didn't promise he was going to be here. I think he just like forgot.
is that still coming?
He's going Blacktown.
Shout out Blacktown.
Love Blacktown.
What?
You can't see, but Sencha just.
If you're listening to this, we got beef now.
Oh.
Cheers.
I don't want to be blown away. Get to the mic to go back home and get a laptop for us because we don't have a laptop. It's a bit funny if you ask me.
There's a laptop in there. There's like a laptop like this in there.
Sam! There's a laptop literally inside there.
Why would I hide?
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you.
Can I just?
But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad.
Is it?
Oh, hi. Sorry, had to serve for my community. I've served for so long and it's now time for me to receive.
So this is what it feels like.
Hey!
The height difference.
Boys are liar, boys are liar. Boys are liar. Wait, let me do like a little spin.
Bomboclat.
Bumbleclap.
Bomboclat. Okay. Okay, enough. I've had it.
Just walking off.
He left the chat.
He left the
Chat.
He physically left the chat. He's gonna come.
What should we do?
I don't know.
Chat, what should we do?
No, don't say that.
What's up, chat? Welcome back, guys.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Niobe Molina, and I'm.
Hi guys, we're gonna do our little TikTok after this.
What's the TikTok? Oh, that's the one. Actually, we're gonna hide both of them in different locations.
Okay, let's go before she sees. So guys, we're gonna be hiding Lara's shoes, our chapter head, and her sister.
In the basket, maybe?
Yeah.
Now the second
And then that's
one.
another one behind that bin.
Right, like just here?
Yeah.
Results will come in soon.
Maybe she just want me in her TikTok. I don't know.
Just what's it like being famous?
I don't know. Just like having influence.
Just everybody wants you, huh? Oh. Oh.
so. I ain't never missed a cent. This is Sancho Cam. Alright, bet. How do you feel about this chapter assembly?
Oh, it's amazing. Other than the camera in my face.
This dude's about to. How do you feel about chapter assembly, Seb?
Hold on.
Oh, wait. I just got that on camera. We just caught a view. How do you feel about the chapter assembly so
I feel
far?
great with my friend here, Brielle.
Oh, my grab was a bit forceful. Anyways, I've been feeling amazing, empowered, refreshed, rejuvenated.
Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Interviewing about the chapter assembly. How do you feel about the chapter assembly?
Really good.
Really good.
Really good.
Really good.
Really fun. Oh, he's
Hey, all the viewers just got mugged. All the viewers just got mugged. Chapter assembly.
lower than.
Wrap it up. Wrap it up. About the chapter assembly today.
Oh, amazing.
Who wants to get
Great
interviewed?
speaker.
You want to get interviewed, Kian?
Wait, guys, is that recorded?
Yeah. How do you feel about the chapter assembly?
It's good. I'm a bit sick though.
Oh,
but it's been great.
Welcome, guys. This is our chapter assembly.
What is it?
We're just playing chess right now.
Oh, this computer's good. Let's do it. We're on the attack.
Oh,
Okay. That's okay. Alright.
nice. Are we winning?
I'm on the back foot.
Oh,
Okay, I resign. I can't. Yeah, I can't win with just a horse.
I know that it's easier said than done. It feels like it's hopeless.